Hello, let's talk about the warning triangle, where to find and how to use it in your Audi A3 or S3 Sportback car. A warning triangle is together with the warning lights used in order to secure a traffic accident site. The legal rules in the individual states partly order a warning triangle to be brought in the vehicle. In Germany, according to number 53A ST VZO. The warning triangle consists of the three reflection beams, similar to cat's eye and a stable foot. Where we can find it? In the trunk. You can see we open the trunk, and then we can see this is under this cover, and under it we can see that box, and inside this box there's the warning triangle. Except from this form, which is prescribed in road traffic, there are also collapsible signals or triangles used by emergency services, but also for short roads closers by the firms with workers in the roads. We are now getting this triangle into position, and we are letting it in the city 50 meters behind your car. If you have an accident, you have to set it on the floor, on the street, on the right side of the street, 50-meter range. If you are on highway, you can go to 150-meter, and out of in urban living ways or out of the city, it is 100-meter. The warning triangle you have to use while there is an accident with your car, or if you help some other cars out there, then you should mark your accident area with this warning triangle. To reassemble or disassemble, in this case it is a disassembling. If you disassemble, it's really tricky a little bit, because in the center of this there is a tape. This tape is not with glue, but it is really a little bit tricky, as you can see, to get this warning triangle back into position, but we can handle this. If you cannot perform this superb, then you can make a little bit, wrap it around a little bit, or push it into position, and then get it back into the triangle. Get the warning triangle back into the case, get it back into your trunk, and you are back on the road again. That's easy, but it's important. If you have an accident or you help others which have an accident, use the warning triangle to warning other drivers out there that there is an accident. That's important. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.